Hello, and welcome to the OCC Transfer Center CSU Application Workshops. This workshop is going to focus on how to submit your CSU application. Once you have completed all 4 quadrants, you will be able to submit your application. You can confirm all quadrants have been completed once you see a green ring around each tile. After confirming your personal information, academic history, supporting information, program materials have been complete, you can head over to the Submit Application tab at the top. This will give you a summary of the campuses you are applying to, the major you selected, and the deadline for each campus. You can also see the total cost to submit your applications. Remember, each campus is $70. If you qualify for a fee waiver, you will get 4 schools for free. You can check your eligibility for the fee waiver by clicking the button if it doesn't automatically apply to your total fees. There's a couple of ways you can submit your applications. You can submit it one by one. This could be a good option if you're still working on a couple of different schools. You can submit the ones that you have complete, or if you finished all of them, you can submit all at the same time. Once you hit submit, it will ask you to review your application before submission. It's going to ask you to review some college coursework. This could be if you inputted classes that are not transferable, or if you have any repeated coursework. Remember, you do need to include all classes you've ever attempted, even if they are not transferable, so it's just going to have you confirm that. It's also going to ask you to confirm your Golden 4 courses that you inputted into your application. If you have any test scores that you reported, you will review this as well. It's also going to want you to read and acknowledge the following if you're getting an associate's degree for transfer. It will also have you confirm if you happen to select a dissimilar program when you are adding colleges. Once you have read and acknowledged, you will go ahead and click on the box that says I understand and have reviewed. Then it will continue to payment. Before you submit, you will want to triple check the major and university you applied to and confirm the deadline. This will be your last opportunity to remove any universities that you do not want to apply for. It is important to note that once you submit your application, you cannot make any changes to the application. You also will not receive a refund. However, if you do decide that you want to add another campus before the deadline, you are able to do so. If there are any changes once the application is submitted, you will need to reach out to each specific university admissions department to inform them of the changes. This does not guarantee anything. They could not factor in the updated information, so it is extremely important that you submit an accurate application the first time. Please do not wait until the last minute to submit your application. Sometimes the website can crash, preventing students from submitting their application on time, and oftentimes they won't reopen the application for the technical error. Once your application is submitted, you can breathe a sigh of relief. However, this is not the end. There are next steps you will need to adhere to still be considered for admissions, so please do not completely check out. Be sure to check your emails constantly and ensure you have storage in your email account to receive them. Please feel free to check out our pre-recorded workshop for next steps. Thank you for watching this CSU application workshop on how to submit your application. If you have any questions, please connect with the Transfer Center. Thank you.